Hello everyone, how are you? I am fine, thank you, God, and you? Today, we going to talk about varieties and a topic that varieties with which in euthanasia would with a varieties. Varieties are allows to the ethics of life, that is understand the human being with respect to life. Ethics is moral. In this case, we will talk specifically about euthanasia. I disagree with euthanasia for the most important is the life. Life is a gift from God and can only be taken by Him. Human beings are valuable because they made in the image of God. Are less valuable, as I was saying right now. I as Christian. In conclusion, my opinion as a Christian is a we have a right to life clearly, yes, but not to decide we to the in it. The most important, the life, the most important God. Thank you so much. Bye. See you later. Thank you for pay attention.